Okay, I'm already at level 2 now. I'm looking at the temporary entrance of the project. I'm turning anti-clockwise. Then we see the FEA on our right, and also we turn around, we see the Pustakaan Pendidikan Sabah. Before that, our existing two-story Faculty of Business Accountancy. So the rebar for the beams is already completed, and they are going to lay the rebar for the slabs now. Bottom part, while waiting for A9 rebar to the top part of the rebar of the slabs. While further towards the egress, we have more scaffolding being erected to support the formworks for the beams and also the slabs. This part of the building has been covered up to level 2. Assalamualaikum. Apa kabar? Alhamdulillah. Ya. Ya, berbaik ya, berbaik sini kawasan ni. Betul up to the ends to egress. Now they are making the rebar. If expected the rebar so far is okay, no problem. Assalamualaikum. Semua drawing untuk landscape area dah ada Dah ada. Okey Semua dah ada.
Section itu tingkat 3.
Ada nanti. Just semua ada sebenarnya, kita tak cari. Okay, you see the scaffolding, steel scaffolding is being erected now to cater for the beams and also the slabs for level 2. This part. Then you see on our right is the main library. There's the Lingkungan Budi, and we have the Faculty of Education, operated by Jardana Ilmu. I said again and again supaya kita tak lupa, mengingatkan saya itu saja. So I'm going to complete the site diary today by saying that our program now sampai hari raya kita nak complete the staging or the scaffolding for supporting the rebar for the beams and column is also for the slabs of level 2, the whole part. Then we are not going to concrete after 29. We are not going to concrete after 29. Only the next week. Next week it means further up on August. I think early August we are going to concrete it for 2 days berturut-turut sebab banyak concrete involved. Okay. So by the time they have already many manpower supplied, insyaAllah. Sorry, ambil. Okay. So that's all. You all ever beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen for the time being. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Salam Ramadan al-Mubarak al-Karim dan salam satu Malaysia. Bye bye.